Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Ricky Francisco Pereira, age 43 years old, with 3 kids, married, and I am currently working in Discovery Bay. I am a handyman, domestic helper, all around. I can cook, I can take care of elderly, I can take care of children, toddler. I am willing to learn to cook some other dishes by an employer. I am proactive. Hope to see you. Hope you will invite me to join in your family as a helper. Looking forward for it. And have a good day. I do some gardening, pet care, car washing, handyman. Hope to see you, sir, ma'am. Good day. Thank you.